Hello friends, ETPC here. Today we are unboxing a Yoyofit full touchscreen smart fitness watch. Bam! There's a little box there. Alright, let's see what do we got here. I can grab this off of Amazon for a little under $45, and as always I'll leave a link in the description below. Alright, so here we go. So kicking it off, we have this little card here. Let us know how we're doing. No need to return to the store. Spread the word. All that good stuff. Cool. Little reminder card. All right. What is this? A nice little velvety bag here. Okay. It's like a treasure in here. So pretty cool little bag there. Nice and soft. It's like those bags that, you know, when you watch those movies with thieves like steal the diamonds and they pour the diamonds out of this soft little bag. Okay. Anyways, pretty cool bag. Alright, let's check out this watch here. So, here we go. First impression here. Of course, I will be doing a review video later. So, it's a good size band. It feels to be probably waterproof. Let's check out the little latch here to undo this band here. It looks like a fairly good design. So the band kind of goes in there, and let's see if I can give you a shot here. There's a little button there. You can pull the band to change it out if you want to or whatever. So just pull it down a little bit, I believe. Let's see if I can mess this a little bit, and then just push it over if you had a fingernail or something. Anyway, it looks like the band's in there good. Seems to be fairly sturdy. This appears to be waterproof. And I have rather small wrists, and this will fit me just fine, looks like. So yeah, with plenty of room to spare, I could really cinch this one up, and it's also gets pretty large as well, so some good dimensions there on the watch band. Alright, so I'll take this little plastic thing off of here. Okay, so that's that. First impression looks pretty cool. Maybe I can turn this thing on here. Sometimes they come with a charge. Let's see. Not exactly sure. It's my first oh, hello, we are alive. So it's showing full battery, which is cool. Showing the incorrect time. Usually these things, you have to sync them with an app, and that'll give you the time and all that, and then it tell you other stuff. So I'm going to try to, let's see, tap the screen here maybe. It's trying to find my Wi-Fi. Okay, tapping the screen isn't working. Maybe a... Okay. Anyways, it's coming on there. I need to read the instructions, obviously. But so that is that. Looks pretty cool. It's not too heavy. This part looks like it'll fit nicely right on my wrist there, so that'll be cool. It's not. It's actually a good-looking little watch here. I'd really like to. Usually, you just tap the button or tap the. Oh wait, what just happened? Had a little bit of... Okay, there we go. So swiping the screen over, it's got alarm, it's got sports, it's got music, a timer, stopwatch, find phone, settings, weather, health, sleep, step, message. So it's got all your stuff on there. You could probably control your phone. So you just swipe. I was tapping, you just swipe over. Okay, so that's cool. Let's see if I can select one of these, like health maybe. Okay, you just tap on that. So it says heart rate, BP, oxygen, all in the one there. That's pretty cool. Maybe tap the button on the side, it goes back. Figuring this thing out without the instructions. So music, alarms, check out the weather. Phone app is not connected. Alright, so we're going to do all that when we do the review and everything and show you how to do that. But this is just the unboxing. So pretty cool little watch. I believe this is waterproof. It seems like it is. Anyways, that's that. Pretty excited actually to try this thing out. Alright, and what else do we got? So we have the user manual in there, and also the charger, which looks kind of cool. Let's check this out here real quick. If I can open the bag. Come on. Don't make me do a video cut out here while I'm trying to open a Ziploc bag. This bag's making me look bad here. Oh my goodness. So I tear it under the Ziploc part. Oh well. You know. Okay. Let's see how this thing works here. So it's USB, obviously, and looks like it's magnet. Looks like it has a couple small little magnets there, so that's going to hold it right on places. You just set it on there, slick as a whistle, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it has pretty strong little magnets there that's going to hold it on there and charge it for you, so that's kind of cool. I have a ton of USB things, so that's alright. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing of the Yoyofit full touch screen smart fitness watch with the fitness tracker and all that good stuff on there. I'll be doing a review in a couple days here probably, and we'll see you then. Everyone, have a great day, and thanks for watching.